no basic zone.
It's your girl Stushy back with another video. If you are new, then hey boo, my name is Stushy. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and join the gang. After you're done hitting that subscribe button, be sure to hit that bell button so that way you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. For a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel, you guys. You know I'm always happy to have you guys back to check out a brand new video. So in one of my recent videos, in my Sephora / small business haul video, I asked you guys if you guys wanted to see what was inside my mini skincare fridge, because that was one of the items that I displayed that I showed you guys in that video. If you missed that video because your post notifications weren't on, or you are new to my channel, that should be the only reason why you missed that video, let's be honest. If you missed that video, I'll leave it up above for you guys so you can go and check that out after you watch this video in its entirety. But yeah, I do have a mini skincare fridge. Being that you guys said that you wanted to see what was inside my skincare fridge, here we are. That is what today's video is going to be about. And just to let you guys know, this video is not sponsored in no way, shape, or form. I paid for my mini fridge with my hard-earned coins. I'm always going to give you my honest opinion regardless of if the video is sponsored or not. You can purchase your mini fridge if you're interested on Amazon. I'll leave the link down below in my Amazon shop, or you can purchase it right on the direct Cooluli website. I purchased mine on the Cooluli website just because on Amazon the cow print was sold out, but with Amazon you do get two-day free shipping, so that is a perk for you purchasing it on Amazon. I am also an Amazon affiliate, so if you do purchase it through my Amazon link, I do get a small tiny mini commission from that sale. If you do, I appreciate you using any of my links, or you can purchase it on the Cooluli website as I mentioned. So if you're interested in watching, stay tuned. So let's dive right into it. I have my phone right here. This is my new phone. If you watch my latest vlog, I did go and get a new phone. So this is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So I have my phone here. I wrote down some notes real quick just so that I can give you guys some details about my mini fridge before we actually dive into the fridge. If that's alright with you, I just want to let you guys know some of the specs, some of the perks of the fridge. So I did go ahead and get the Cooluli 4-liter classic mini fridge. I got it in the color cow. It says that's the color. To me it's a print, but I got it in the color cow. It's 4 liters. It weighs up to 4 pounds, so it's super light, and I can stow it away. It's not super big like a regular mini fridge. I used to have one of those mini fridges that I would keep in my college apartment. It's not as big as that. It's nowhere near as big as that. So it's really nice and cute to keep in your bathroom or keep it in your room. I keep mine in my room just because I usually do my skincare in my room or finish off my skincare in my room. Some other specs about this mini fridge is that it has a cold and a warm setting. Then I use mine as a skincare fridge, but this fridge can be used to store medicine. It can be used to warm up breast milk because it does have a warm feature, as I mentioned. It can be used to keep your sandwiches cold, keep your soups warm if you're going on a picnic. I feel like that's really cool. Once outside opens back up, I'm definitely going to be bringing her along if I go to like a little picnic or something cute. And you're probably wondering, sis, how are you going to bring a mini fridge to a picnic, to a cookout, to wherever you want to go? How are you going to do that? Because it comes with a car plug-in, which is super dope. It came with a car plug-in, and it also comes with a USB plug-in. Now I can use either one of these in my car. I'll most likely be using the USB cord in the event that I want to bring my skincare fridge to a picnic or something cute, or for like a road trip. If you're an OG Triple SG Stush gang, then you know I used to live in Buffalo, which is 6 hours away from New York City, which is where I moved back to, which is my home. So I used to drive 6 hours and make a stop at like the 3-hour mark, which it was a lot, girl. But a lot of the times, any drinks that I used to purchase prior to me getting on the road, and it would just get back to room temperature. So this could have been a staple had I known about this prior to me moving back. Like, this would have been a great thing to bring on my road trips to New York City. But nonetheless, I have it now. Any future road trips, I will be bringing it with me because it's just that good. So yes, it does come with the car plug, and it also comes with the USB plug. So that is a bomb.com. After looking at the About Us on the Cooluli website, I realized that they started in Brooklyn. They were founded in Brooklyn, New York, which is super dope. I'm from the Bronx, but like, I feel like that's nice. I'm supporting someone. I'm supporting a business in New York City, which I love to do. And real quick for some tech specs, the materials that the fridge is made out of is aluminum and plastic, and it cools down to 40 degrees below ambient temperature and warms up to 149 on internal thermostat. So that's definitely good to know. So as I mentioned, I got the mini fridge in the color cow, or in the print cow, and I am in love with it. OG Triple SG, then you know I have a newfound obsession for cow print. Literally, it's something serious, y'all. I even filmed a tutorial showing you guys how I did a cow print eye look, so our cow print inspired eye look. So I'll leave that linked above as well if you're interested in seeing that. And I also just bought a cow print pop socket for the back of my phone with some new cases, so definitely be on the lookout for that in some future videos. With that being said, I had had to pick up my mini fridge in the color or the print cow print. I chose cow print over pink, which is my favorite color. So you know it's something serious. It's probably unhealthy, to be honest. With that being said, I'm gonna stop chatting now and let's dive into what is inside, or what I keep inside my skincare fridge. Okay, so this is she, you guys. Isn't she pretty? Just to pull her out, see, her cow print is on every single side of her. It's on this side as well. She has cow print on both of her sides. I'm just going to show you one side for right now. So this is what she looks like. Really nice exterior. It does have plastic exterior, so I just try to keep this very, very clean. As I mentioned in my Sephora video, I thought about getting the pink one, but I just felt like this would look so cute in my room, and as you guys can see, it does. And it's just really, really neat. The other one that I thought about getting had a dry erase board on the front, but I already have a dry erase board behind this, so I didn't feel the need to pick that one out. You guys also see that there's a really nice silver handle right here that you would use to open the fridge. So with that being said, let's open it. Ooh la la. So I'm going to start on the door. As you guys can see, I have a few masks here. This is a Sephora Pearl eye mask. This is a Sephora Pearl face mask. As you guys can see, we got a theme going on right here. And then this is my Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask. I love this mask. I've used it so many times on my channel. But yeah, I love this mask so much. I'm running out of my masks, but these are the ones that I've been keeping in my fridge. So I need to get some more face sheet masks because I really love these. Perfect for a quick fix. Put this back in here. You guys see there's a little tray. Just like a regular fridge, there's a little tray for you to stow away your little, your masks. Now moving directly to the right, this is the top shelf of the fridge. Up top I have my Mario Badescu skincare facial spray. This is the one with aloe and chamomile and lavender. So I have about this much left. After applying my toner, I like to spray this right on my face. So that's the next thing. Then I have my jade roller. This is what she looks like. Super, super cute. I really want a pink one. But yeah, I have a jade roller. This is what she looks like. And I just keep her tucked away in here as well. This is an Origins moisturizer. This is the oil-free energy boosting gel moisturizer. This moisturizer is really not bad. I actually like it, but whenever I use this moisturizer, I'm typically not going to do a full face or even any makeup at all because I do find that it can peel. I don't do any makeup after using this moisturizer. On the bottom shelf, the first thing that you guys see is this mini Tasha water cream. So I really like this moisturizer. It is a little bit expensive, but I prefer the dewy cream over the water cream just because I have more dry skin and I feel like the dewy cream helps me a little bit better. But this is a nice everyday moisturizer if you have like normal to oily skin, even combination skin, you could use this as well. But I like my moisturizers to be a little bit more rich, so I personally like the dewy better than the water cream, but it's cute, so we keep it in here. I'm gonna actually move it to the side so you guys can see. I accidentally plugged the fridge out earlier because I thought it was my ring light, so that's why you do see some water in here. The next thing that I have is this Philosophy water cream. This is another moisturizer. A few of these I got from my job from gratis, so these are just some things that they gave us, you know, because they want us to test out some products. So this is one of them. It's cool. I'm not head over heels for it, but I use it, okay? The next thing that's in here is this Sephora Vitamin C and Vitamin E serum. I really like this serum, y'all. I thought it would have been a lot more greasy and oily, but it's not, and I'm not mad at that at all. It feels really lightweight on the skin. This is perfect for the morning time, and I feel like this would be really great in the summertime because I feel like although we want to, you know, load up on products and get the skin, you know, nice and glowy, we don't want it to feel super, super heavy as well. And it is a pretty affordable product. The next thing that we have back here is the F-Bomb Electrolyte Water Facial from Drunk Elephant. A lot of people have raved about this. I'm not necessarily head over heels about it. It's cool. My face doesn't feel like all that moisturized in the morning, but I have this in here. This is a mini one. You're supposed to apply it after you've applied your moisturizer and everything. It's kind of like a moisturizing sleeping mask. So that's what this is. And last but not least, we have my fave. This is the Glowy Makeup Serum Base. And honestly, this is the first time I wore it today with makeup. I've been using it as just like a serum. And I'm not gonna lie, my face looks pretty good, okay? And this is maybe, I want to say maybe 2 hours after my makeup because I did record another video. But yeah, this is the Glowy Makeup Serum. This is super nice. It is a little expensive, but you guys see it has pink diamond gel hydration in here. And the packaging is beautiful. So yes, this is the skincare fridge. So let me go ahead and close that up. So with that being said, that is the end of today's video. Let me know if you guys would be interested in picking up your very own skincare fridge, or if you have a skincare fridge at home, let me know down below in the comments. I use my skincare fridge every single day, and I mean every single day. So I'm super happy about this purchase, as you guys can see. If you are new, you still have not subscribed to join the gangsters, I hope that you're currently scrolling down to hit that red subscribe button down below, and also clicking the bell so that way you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. And I also hope that if you enjoyed today's video, you'll be sure to leave me a big thumbs up down below so that way I know and I can continue to create content or bomb ass content for you guys. Thank you guys again for checking in. Thank you guys again for watching this video in its entirety. I love you guys, and until next time, until the next video, until the next upload, until the next post, I'll see you guys later. Bye guys. Being that you guys voted that you wanted a skincare fridge, being that you guys voted or keep your soup, you're probably wondering how are you, and you're probably or if you even feel like I used to take so yeah, it does come with a cart. So yes, it does come with a, let me know if